Question is, the unit step input response of certain control system is given by C of t is equal to 1 plus 0.2 e raised to minus 60t minus 1.2 e raised to minus 10t. The undamped natural frequency omega n and damping ratio delta are respectively what? So here C of t is given. I will take Laplace transform of this C of t. C of s is equal to 1 by s plus 0.2 by s plus 60 minus 1.2 by s plus 10. So it is s plus 60 s plus 10 plus 0.2 s plus 10 minus 1.2 s plus 60 divided by s plus 60 s plus 10. So basically our characteristic equation is just in denominator, so I am not solving this numerator because it is very time consuming, and it is mentioned that it is for unit step input. So for unit step the input is 1 upon s. So generalize our C of s upon R of s will be, this s will get cancelled out because for unit step input 1 by s will come in numerator. So this numerator denominator will get cancelled out and we will be left with s plus 60 s plus 10, and this is numerator. So just pay attention to denominator. S plus 60 s plus 10 equal to 0. So s square plus 70s plus 600 equal to 0. Now comparing this with standard second order characteristic equation, s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square is equal to 0. Omega n square is 600. Omega n is root of 600, that is 10 root 6 radian per second, and 2 zeta omega n is 70. So zeta is equal to 70 divided by 2 into 10 root 6. So it will be 3.5 divided by root 6 zeta. Now the value of root 6 will be something lying between root 4 and root 9, that is in between 3 and 4. So in between 2 and 4, root 4 is 2 and root 9 is 3. So in between 2 and 3 the value of root 6 will lie. So I can write 2.4 something can be the value of this root 6. So omega n is equal to 10 into 2.4, so it will be 24, nearly equal to 24, and zeta value 3.5 divided by 2.4, so it can be 24 ones are 24, 35 minus 24 is 11, and 24 into 4, 24 into 4, 96, 110 minus 96, 110 minus 96 is 14, and again 24 into 7 is 24 into 3 is 72. So something the value is lying between 1.4 something. So we will check options. What are options? Our omega n will be nearly equal to 24 and zeta is 1.4. So 24.5 and 1.43 is nearest answer. Option C is right answer.